channel. I am so very excited because guess what? A girl has been on it. And guess what, y'all? I have recorded yet another makeup tutorial. And let me tell y'all, it is right here on my face, right here, right now. And oh my God, let me tell y'all, I am so excited because wait, camera. Let's get into it. Okay, we got into it. So now y'all know what to expect in the video, and y'all probably like, oh my God, girl, yes, you did that. Go, girl. How? Well, guess what? Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share the video, guys. And turn on your notifications so that you never miss when I post a YouTube video. And go ahead and tune into the video. Tune into the video, guys. Bye. Hey Forever dolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so pretty much today, you guys, I created this little simple black eyeshadow look for you guys. Today, I didn't think it was going to come out as good, but oh my God. So let's just go ahead and jump on into how I did it. First, I started off with the box of crayons eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with this simple black eyeshadow color. Like I told y'all guys, I've been trying to come up with a way to make my eyeshadow tutorials as simple as possible for you guys, because I know I fall short when it comes to like doing my voiceovers and telling y'all some of the things that I'm doing. So I feel like if it's better for if you see more of the things, you guys can get more of what I'm doing. So yeah. Anyways, I'm taking this flat-ended brush by the crayon case, and I'm going to be using that to pack on the black eyeshadow onto my lid. Oh my God, that sounds like a mouthful. And I'm going to take some tape because it makes the eyeshadow look so much more crisp and clean. And I just feel like for this eyeshadow look, I need that crisp, that clean, that snatch. So I used a piece of tape, you guys. Now I'm not going to go into where I got the tape from. You know where you can get tape from. But I got it from Office Depot if you guys want to know. Okay, so now that I pretty much have the black eyeshadow packed on, I'm going to go in with this Morphe buffing brush M532, and I'm going to just blend out the harsh lines so that it makes it easier for me to add a transition color onto the top of the black. I'm going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette to go ahead and get the pink out of the palette. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you the pink that I was using. I guess it kind of cut off. I don't know. But I'm going in with the pink to kind of blend in with the black to just make it look a little bit more friendly and not gothic. Nothing against gothic people, but it just looks really, really, really harsh for me. Now I'm going in with my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to be using that to just pack on my glitter to the lid to where I want to put my glitter. I didn't cut my crease. I didn't do any of that. I just put glitter primer on my lid and just followed my natural senses. So the brush that I'm using to pack on my glitter is my Sephora smudge brush, and a lot of people use it for their under eye, but for me, it happens to work for packing on my glitter. The glitter that I'm using is the NYX loose glitter. I'm sorry guys, I probably forgot to mention that. But it's the NYX loose glitters that I'm using to apply to my lid. I'm going to go ahead and then remove the tape. And as you guys can see, it is cut, it is clean, it is crisp. So I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Superstay Super Slim eyeliner, and I'm going to be using that to just give myself a little bitty baby wing, just to kind of make it more dramatic. Not really much, but anyways, as you guys can see, I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, and just a little slow-mo look for you guys so you can see. I'm going in with my NYX setting spray. I'm going to be spraying that on my face to get it hydrated and refreshed, and then I'm taking my Tarte Rainforest Sea Drops and using that to prime my face. I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation. I've been on it for like a week now, you guys, so you know it is bomb.com. And I'm having to get foundation in my hair. Come on, Red, get it together. Ugh. I'm going to be taking my NYX foundation brush, and I'm going to be blending that out with my foundation. The next thing I'm going to do is go into my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to be using that to highlight the key points of my face, underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and of course my chin. You guys, I will have a highlighting contouring video coming out pretty soon, so be on the lookout for that. I'm taking my triangle sponge and I'm using that to blend out my concealer, you guys. You can find these again at your drugstore, Walmart, or the beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure Sally's too, but they're a little bit overrated. They're expensive. I'm then taking a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Cocoa, and I'm using that to contour my face. Y'all, those eyes are popping. Like, I had to give credit to myself. Them eyes is like popping. And those brows, oh my God. Anyways, I'm taking my stipple brush and I'm using that to blend out my contour. Again, you can get this brush from your local drugstore. It's an e.l.f. brush. The white ones are, I think, $1, and the black ones are like $2 to $3. I'm spraying my triangle sponge so I can go ahead and apply my powder and set my face. Always spray your sponge when it comes to applying powder. It helps the powder melt in your skin a little bit more. Okay, I'm then going in with my LA Girl contour palette. I don't know, I can't talk, y'all. And I'm going to be using it as a contour my face. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using that to highlight, but please, you guys, do not make the mistake that I did and not wipe the powder off your face first. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking. I was getting a little bit above myself, and then I realized I was like, oh my God, I didn't wipe the powder off. So, yeah, that's what happened, you guys. Now I'm going in with my Huda Trophy Wife lip liner, and I'm going to be using that to align my lips. And I'm putting on my NYX Butter Gloss on top of that. You already know. Ooh, girl, there we go. Okay, guys, so pretty much finished look. Thank you guys for taking the time out to watch my video. Thank you guys for taking the time out to ask me to keep posting videos. I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.